Most of the times customer provides the data in their CSV format or in their custom own Excel format, and that we need to import in our database. So this activity is very common for all the developers. So we will check how we can import that data into our database. Hi guys, my name is Hemant Panchal. Welcome to my PostgreSQL session. In this session we will talk about importing data into our database. I'm creating one file. Okay, let's create one CSV file. Let me take Excel document. Okay, I will create some of the entries here. Let's suppose ID, first name, last name, age. Okay, I will put this header as a column, valid column name, which is also valid in the database. I say 1 2 3. I say Hemant Panchal 29, Peter say TSO, his age is 35. Then we have Mary Fernandez. Okay, her age is 45. Now I want to import this data into my database. So what I will do, now what we will do, we will create the same structure in our PostgreSQL. So in PgAdmin 4 I will then create new table. I will say user info. Okay, schema is my schema, when there is Postgres user, I'll give the column name. First was the ID. I will say it is a okay, fine, big int, not null. Then I will say first name, it is a character. I will say last name, same character varying. Then age, I will again say integer. Save. You can see this table is created. Now right click on the table, we will say import. It is saying please correct the binary path in the preference dialog. So let's understand how we can solve that issue. Okay, so what I will do, I will go in the file preferences, I will go for binary path. Under the path node I can say binary path. So this you need to change. Okay, so the location which I will apply here is this location, C program files PostgreSQL, and this bin or the version of the PostgreSQL and the bin directory. Okay, so I will go here, Control V, I will say save. Now let's check if we can import the data. Yes, I am able to import this data. Okay, so this is the import activity. I will say select. Here I know my directory. I will say data, and here data is CSV. I will say select. This is a CSV format, encoding anything, whatever you want to specify as per your requirement. It is UTF-8. Delimiter we have comma here. These are the other required. Based on your requirement you can configure whatever you want. Okay, here I'll say okay. Copying data and server. Okay, this is said failed exit code 1. Let's say what it is saying, more details. Copy command, delimiter, escape, stop process, invalid input syntax for type being int ID, copy user info into ID. So what it is trying to do, it is trying to copy this id word into that into integer value. Okay, that is why it is giving me error. Now let me show you what we may have missed. I'll say import again, import d data.csv. okay, I'll go to the same path. So I have my header with me and delimiter is comma. So earlier we have missed this header selection. Okay, so now I am able to see that data is imported successfully. Okay, there is no issue. Now let's go to the tools, query tool. I will select star from schema name. What is our schema name? Is my schema, and dot I say user info. What we have missed here? So here I need to specify my table name in double quote. Let me check. Yes, I am able to see all the records which I have entered in my CSV file. So this is how you can import your data, CSV data, into your database in very easy step. You don't need to write insert query for all the rows for whatever you have in your CSV file. Here if you see, data is imported with the proper data type integer. Okay, age, it is also correct, integer value. These are the characters. First name is imported into the first name, last name is imported into the last name. Okay, this is how import activity works in the PostgreSQL.